All right, now in app component, I have defined this field, can save, and set this to true. Now let's go to the template for this file. Here we have a button element with 3 style bindings. We have style.backgroundColor, style.color, and style.fontWeight. And for each style binding, you can see we have an expression that uses the value of can save to determine the value for that style. So if can save is true, background color is going to be blue, otherwise it's going to be gray. And similarly, we have these 2 other styles here, color and font weight. Now, if you look in the browser, so if can save is true, this is what we're going to get. Otherwise, if we go to app component and change this to false, this is what we're going to get. Now, this template, as you can see, is a little bit noisy. In the last lecture, you learned how we can use the ngClass directive to clean up multiple class bindings. Now, similarly, we have another directive, another attribute directive called ngStyle. So when you're dealing with multiple style bindings, you may prefer to clean up your code by using the ngStyle directive. So let's see what we can do here. Once again, we use property binding syntax and bind ngStyle to an expression. And here we're going to have an object. In this object, we're going to have 1 or more key value pairs. Each key represents a CSS style. So we put it in quotes just like before, background color. And then for the value, we use the same value we had in the style binding. So if can save is true, we're going to use blue. Otherwise, we're going to use gray. Now, similarly, we can have another key value pair here. So color is going to be white or black. Now, obviously, this is not the best way to implement this feature. If you're dealing with multiple styles, it's better to encapsulate them in a CSS class. And then depending on the value of can save, you render one of these classes instead of adding multiple styles here. But sometimes in certain situations, you may want to add styles explicitly here. So if that's the case, use either style binding or the ngStyle directive to add multiple styles altogether.